And first impression of the Challenger, it's by far the dirtiest Mopar car that we found in the Mopar barn. We have our
little buddy that came along with us.
A really blurry picture of Mum in her car with a guy wearing a baseball cap. She also said that Mum had put in the time to look good, she was getting flowers, and she'd gone through...
Left side, Ferris right side. Pez is in. Ferris is in. Oh my goodness! Big crash! Oh my! Ladies and gentlemen, please stay back. Please stay back. Oh my! Oh my!